How to fix Google Flow not working. So the first thing that we're gonna do is check if Google Flow is available in your region. So open up a new tab and simply type in Google Flow region availability. Let's click this AI link right here where you can use Google Flow and scroll down, and here you go, supported countries and territories. Google Flow is sadly not available if you don't see your country in the list of these countries. Now, the other thing that you need to check is if the Google Flow servers are down. Let's do that. Let's head over to Down Detector. And here as we can see, Google Flow is not down. Now, if your country is supported and Google Flow is not down, one of the things that you can try is deleting cookies and cache. So here right next to the link, click this icon, go to cookies and site data, click this arrow right here, and simply just remove every cookie and reload. After that, click the icon again, go to site settings, clear the data. Now you will be signed out. Now if this didn't work, make sure you use a different browser. So right here I'm using Brave, and if it didn't work for me, I just type in Google Chrome and make sure that it works there. If even that doesn't work, try using incognito mode. So right click here, here it says new private window, and let's open up Google Flow and log in. If none of these things work, try starting a new project and waiting for about 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.